with our much-awaited award ceremony. And it's our honor that today we have the distinguished presence of Srimati Anupriya Patel, the Honorable Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare and Chemical and Fertilizers. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am. We also have amongst us the man behind this show, the very inspiring Shri Rajiv Pratap Rudy. Ladies and gentlemen, so let's get ready for a spectacular mix of honor and excitement. सड़क सुरक्षा के संदेश को और सशक्त करती हुई ये शाम इसको हम आगे बढ़ाते हैं और मैं अनुरोध करती हूँ श्री राजीव प्रताप रूडी जी से कि वे हमारी आज की मुख्य अतिथि श्रीमती अनुप्रिया पटेल जी का स्वागत अभिनंदन करें. I also request Managing Director, JK Tyres and Industries, Shri Anshuman Singhania, to join in felicitating and welcoming our Honorable Chief Guest.
We have to request the people on the dinner side to come to the left because we have to complete the prize giving function. और कई लोग बाहर हैं उनको भी सूचित कर दीजिए तो आ जाएं. तो आज का ये आयोजन अपने आप में and what is there next and we are here on the stage. Ma'am will speak first. Just invite ma'am to speak. थोड़ा सा बोल ले उसके प्राइज. तो आज का ये बहुत ही विशेष अवसर और बड़ी संख्या में लोगों ने भाग लिया और मैं समझता हूं कि आज के इस वातावरण में आज सड़क सुरक्षा पर और विशेष रूप से अनुप्रिया जी का मैं स्वागत करना चाहूँगा कि जो इस मंच पर आके आज के इस कार्यक्रम में.
And now I also request Mr. Singhania to felicitate our chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody knows about the inspiring political journey of Shri Rajiv Pratap Rudy. What I want to share here is that he is credited as the only parliamentarian on the globe operating Airbus 320 jets, flying one of the largest airlines in India. His name also figures in the Limca Book of World Records. He is also credited with flying Rafale jet, Sukhoi MG-MiG, and Gripen fighter aircrafts on different occasions. He is the 7th-term member of parliament. और इतना ही नहीं, he is the man behind this show, जिन्होंने इस अनूठी पहल को न केवल कल्पना से वास्तविकता तक पहुंचाया है, बल्कि इसे सड़क सुरक्षा और जिम्मेदार ड्राइविंग के इस सशक्त संदेश के साथ भी जोड़ा है. इनकी बहुमुखी प्रतिभा और ऊर्जा हम सभी के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं राजीव प्रताप रूडी जी से अनुरोध करती हूं कि वे कुछ शब्द कहें.
मैं यहीं से 2 शब्द कहूँगा और मेरी कलीग पार्लियामेंट में और उत्तर प्रदेश से हमारी वरिष्ठ सांसद और भारत सरकार के मंत्री अंशुमान जो हमारे साथ इस अभियान में पूरे भारतवर्ष में सड़क सुरक्षा के ऊपर हमेशा इस अभियान में सांसदों की भूमिका. और जब हम लोग यहाँ खड़ा होकर के स्मरण करते हैं तो खास करके इस आयोजन की खासियत ये है कि वैसे तमाम हमारे वरिष्ठ जिनके साथ हम लोकसभा में बैठा करते थे, कई सारे ऐसे वरिष्ठ हैं जिनके बारे में वो शायद हमारे जीवन के अभिन्न अंग थे और जिनकी चर्चा हम सामान्य रूप से राजनीति में ख्याति प्राप्त नेताओं के बीच में के रूप में किया करते थे. आज हम जब साहेब सिंह वर्मा की बात करें तो दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री भी रहे, वाजपेयी जी के सरकार में कैबिनेट मंत्री रहे. गुड़गांव की तरफ से आते हुए उनकी सड़क दुर्घटना में मौत हुई, हमारे बीच में नहीं रहे. राजेश पायलट साहब की बात करें जो दौसा से एमपी हुआ करते थे, राजस्थान रोड्स ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉरपोरेशन के बस के बीच से कुचल करके वो मारे गए, आज हमारे बीच में नहीं है. वो अपने आप में एक शख्सियत थे. आज अगर गोपीनाथ मुंडे जी की बात करें तो दिल्ली की सड़कों में तुगलक रोड पुलिस स्टेशन के सामने एक दुर्घटना हुई जहां उनकी मौत हुई। हम अगर आगे बढ़कर के देखें तो इस देश के एक पूर्व राष्ट्रपति ज्ञानी झैल सिंह की भी मृत्यु सड़क दुर्घटना में हुई। मैं जब पहली बार लोकसभा में जीत के 1996 में आया था तो मेरे साथ एक सांसद थे जिनकी उम्र उस समय 30 वर्ष की थी, महेंद्र सिंह भाटी, बीकानेर से, और उनकी भी दुर्घटना में मौत हुई बाड़मेर से बीकानेर आते समय। और ये सूची बहुत लंबी है। आज भारत, ये सूची में फिर जोड़ना पड़ेगा बहुत सारे। आज के दिन में अब अनुप्रिया जी बता रही हैं, और ये शायद हम लोगों को इस पूरे कार्यक्रम की सूची में, और ये आप अपना विषय आपने कहा कि इनके पिताजी का भी स्वर्गवास या मृत्यु कार एक्सीडेंट में हुआ था। और देखिए कैसे जहां भी आप, कहीं भी आप अपना हाथ उंगली डालते हैं वहां एक इस प्रकार की दुर्घटना। मैं बता रहा था कि आज सुबह जब कार्यक्रम, आज राम मोहन नायडू जो भारत सरकार में नागरिक विमानन मंत्री हैं और सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्टर हैं, उनके पिताजी मेरे साथ लोकसभा में थे और भारत सरकार के ग्रामीण विकास मंत्री थे। और घर लौट के आए, शाम पूरी हो चुकी थी, तब लोगों ने कहा कि एक कार्यकर्ता के घर पर जाना बड़ा जरूरी है। और फिर कपड़ा बदलने के बाद उन्होंने कपड़ा फिर पहना और रात के 12 बजे गए। 2 बजे समाचार आया कि उनकी रोड दुर्घटना में मौत हो चुकी है। और आज राम मोहन नायडू जो भारत सरकार में उनके पुत्र सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्टर हैं, उन्होंने ये बात बताई। आगे कितने सारे ऐसे, चाहे वो गोपीनाथ मुंडे हो, ज्ञानी झैल सिंह हो, साहेब सिंह वर्मा हो, गोपीनाथ मुंडे हो, राजेश पायलट हो, लगातार ये बहुत लंबी कड़ी है और जिसकी याद में हम आज ये कार्यक्रम करते हैं। और मूलतः ये संवाद पहुंचाने का प्रयास होता है कि सड़क सुरक्षा एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिस पर एक बड़े अभियान की ज़रूरत है। 5 लाख से ज़्यादा एक्सीडेंट भारत में, 1.5 लाख से अधिक लोग की मृत्यु, 3 लाख से अधिक लोग बुरी तरह से जख्मी, अपाहिज, और सबसे ज़्यादा दुर्घटना ओवर स्पीडिंग के कारण, 2 व्हीलर्स में हेलमेट ना पहनने के कारण, रोड एक्सीडेंट्स, पीछे से स्ट्राइक करने के कारण, बहुत सारे कारण हैं। तो ये संवाद पूरे भारतवर्ष में, और आज लाखों लोग इस कार्यक्रम को देख रहे हैं जहां बच्चों को प्रेरित करना, घर परिवार के लोगों को प्रेरित करना और ये बताना कि सड़क की सुरक्षा कितना आवश्यक है और इसे अपने अभ्यास में, अपने दैनिक दिनचर्या में हमें जोड़ना है। ये आज आप सब यहाँ आए हैं। इस कार्यक्रम के 2 पक्ष हैं। एक मनोरंजन का पक्ष है, जेके टायर के साथ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब, ये 14वां वर्ष है जिसमें 9 एडिशन हम लोगों ने किया है और मोटे तौर से सभी सांसदों की भागीदारी इसमें रहती है। आज का ये कार्यक्रम उस विषय को याद करके है जो सड़क सुरक्षा से जुड़ा हुआ है। मैं आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूँगा। आज हमारे पास पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस से, आर्मी से, नेवी से, एयरफोर्स से, सीआईएसएफ से, सीआरपीएफ से, इसके अतिरिक्त दिल्ली पुलिस से और उसके साथ कॉरपोरेट जगत से, इंडियन ऑयल से, ओएनजीसी से, कई सारे कॉरपोरेट वगत, और इसके साथ मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, उनके परिवार के लोग, कई सारे लोगों ने इस आज के कार्यक्रम में भाग लिया है। मैं आपका भी विशेष रूप से आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूँगा और इस विश्वास के साथ कि आज के कई सारे सांसद और उनके पत्नियां, उनके पति इस कार्यक्रम में भाग लेते रहे हैं और वर्षों से सिलसिला चला रहा। आज हम लोगों ने ये निर्णय लिया है कि जिस प्रकार से पिछले 9 साल से हम दिल्ली में ये कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं, अब इस कार्यक्रम को देश के दूसरे कोने में भी हम ले जाएंगे ताकि इसी भव्यता के साथ ये संवाद हम देश के दूसरे कोने में पहुंचा सकें। तो आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और आप इस कार्यक्रम में आई, आज के इस फंक्शन में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत आभार।
थैंक यू राजीव प्रताप रूडी जी, सड़क सुरक्षा के इस बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण संदेश को पुनः हमारे साथ साझा करने के लिए। Ladies and gentlemen, JK Tyres has been associated with us since the inception of Parliamentarians' Car Rally, and they've been promoting the cause of road safety for over 3 decades now. They are also one of the major sponsors of National Road Safety Week along with Delhi Police. The company's campaign, Drive Safe, Drive Responsibly, Stay in Total Control, has been widely acclaimed as well. And now with these words, I would request Managing Director, JK Tyres and Industries, Shri Anshuman Singhania, to speak a few words.
Sit there and watch a video on road accidents. 5 minutes.
A very good evening to all of you. Honorable Srimati Anupriya Patel ji, esteemed guests and respected dignitaries. It is an honor to welcome you all to the closing ceremony of the 9th JK Tyre Constitution Club of India Car Rally 2025. I am sure the surprise at the traffic park where you tested your driving skills and revisited the basics was much enjoyable experience. With our nation's lawmakers setting examples, this rally stands at a powerful platform for promoting road safety, reminding us that it is not just about following rules, but fostering a responsible mindset. JK Tyre has proudly supported this initiative since the beginning, with road safety at the core of our efforts over 3 decades. As responsible industry leader, we at JK Tyre collaborate with various stakeholders on awareness campaigns and driving training programs. Our initiatives like Smart Tires and Puncture Guard Tires, along with our global recognized Drive Safe, Drive Responsible and Stay in Total Control campaign, further reinforces our commitment to road safety. With rapid growth of road infrastructure and networks and multi-lane highways, promoting road discipline is a shared responsibility. I sincerely thank you all for being part of this noble initiative and extend my heartiest congratulations to all participants and the winners of this 9th JK Tyre Indian Constitution Club of India Car Rally. And with that, I would only like to say, drive safe and stay in total control. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Singhania, for once again bringing home the message of road safety. Ladies and gentlemen, we would now have a short video presentation on road accidents.
It is something we have all seen, in all likelihood, more than once. The images on screen shock us. They horrify and inspire a sense of fear. The graphic nature of the incidents, the sheer audacity of the unexpected, the images stun us. The visuals numb us. How does one put a number or statistic to the potential of human life that has been lost, or an individual disabled as a result of an accident?
जिस प्रकार से रोड में एक्सीडेंट्स हो रहे हैं, लोगों की मौतें हो रही हैं, इसको बचाने के लिए सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स को आगे आना चाहिए। लड़ाई में जितने लोग नहीं मरते, सांप्रदायिक दंगों में जितने लोग नहीं मरते, कोविड में जितने लोग नहीं मरते, उससे ज्यादा लोग हर दिन 400 लोग और साल में 5 लाख एक्सीडेंट, 1.5 लाख मौतें होती हैं। और सबसे दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण ये है कि 18 से 34 वयोगट के करीब 65% यंग लड़के इसमें मरते हैं। हम ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि 2024 समाप्त होने के पहले हम 50% एक्सीडेंट और 50% डेथ कम करेंगे।
We have taken a lot of decision now, 6 airbags in economic model also. The third important thing is implementation of law, enforcement. Central government cannot make any decision on that. We need cooperation of the state government.
In the past, we've lost some of our greatest lawmakers in road accidents. dedicated their lives in the service of the nation and her people. Just remembering these distinguished parliamentarians and lawmakers is not enough. We must be committed to change. A change that will make Indian roads safer. JK Tyre is committed to such a change. JK Tyre is committed to spreading awareness and being an active participant in creating safer roads for India. The JK Tyre Constitution Club Rally is one such effort. Since its inception in 2010, the rally has promoted awareness on road safety. Every year, many distinguished leaders and captains of industry participate in this iconic rally to pay homage to the great leaders we lost in tragic road accidents and to create awareness so that we may spare others the pain of such a loss. The JK Tyre Constitution Club Rally. Committed to leading the change for a safer India.
I think the message was so loud and clear. Ladies and gentlemen, our honorable chief guest, the Honorable Srimati Anupriya Patel, is the Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare and Chemicals and Fertilizers. As a member of Parliament representing the Mirzapur constituency in the Lok Sabha, this is her third term in Lok Sabha. She has previously served as the Union Minister of State for Commerce and Industry. She has also served as an MLA from Rohania constituency, Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh Vidhan Sabha. आप युवा नेताओं में एक सशक्त पहचान रखती हैं और जनसेवा के प्रति समर्पण के लिए जानी जाती हैं। आप आधुनिक दृष्टिकोण और प्रभावी नीतियों के माध्यम से जनता के कल्याण के लिए निरंतर कार्यरत हैं। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं आपसे अनुरोध करती हूं कि आप कुछ शब्द कहें। I request our chief guest to say a few words.
Honorable Member of Parliament and former Union Minister, Secretary Administration, Constitution Club of India, Shri Rajiv Pratap Rudy ji, Honorable Members of Parliament who are here in this gathering today, Mr. A. Singhania, who's MD for JK Tyres, and all our esteemed participants and guests who are here today for this very novel and very important initiative that JK Tyre and Constitution Club of India has taken today. It's my absolute delight and also an honor to join for the closing ceremony of the 9th edition of the annual Parliamentarians Car Rally, which is dedicated to the cause of road safety. And I would like to begin by paying my humble tributes to my late father, Dr. Sonelal Patel ji, who we lost in a tragic road accident, all our former honorable members of parliament who we lost in these tragic accidents, and everybody else who we have lost in these road accidents. I am really grateful to everybody who is here today because it shows your exemplary commitment to this very noble cause. Road accidents, these are not just statistics. we just saw a small video presentation and we heard the Honorable Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways mention that we are losing 400 lives, 400 precious lives every day in our country. 5 lakh precious lives every year in our country on account of these road accidents. Ladies and gentlemen, these are not mere statistics. These are the stories of devastated families, shattered families, unfulfilled dreams, devastated futures. So every road accident brings so much of pain and misery to the lives of so many of us. And this is an issue which really needs to be addressed collectively. For us, road safety is not a policy objective, it's a moral responsibility. And we must all come together because every life counts. Every life is precious. And every life needs to be protected. Today's event, which held in the afternoon, this annual Parliamentarian Car Rally, it's actually a reminder that ensuring road safety is not the responsibility of one sector alone. It's a shared mission. And we all need to put in our collaborative efforts to be able to achieve road safety. So advocacy, education, legislation, enforcement, everything comes together to ensure that we don't lose any more lives in these road accidents. I represent the Government of India here, which is deeply concerned about the significant rise in the number of road accidents which is happening in India, so many injuries, so many fatalities. And through our national road safety policy, we're making efforts to ensure that the morbidities and the mortalities due to the road accidents go down. Our government took over in the year 2014, and in the year 2019, we brought about the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, under which stricter penalties were introduced. We tried to enhance the safety measures. But I understand, and you would also agree, that law alone is not enough. What we really need is the commitment from the general public. What we need is a behavioral shift. What we need is raised levels of awareness. And what we need is collective consciousness and commitment to be able to overcome this menace today. Friends, it is an issue which needs attention. We'll be awarding some of our winners today, and 7-8 awards, as I am told, will be given here. I do extend my sincerest appreciation and heartiest greetings to all the winners tonight, because they're going to serve as role models. They will spread the message of road safety all around. And their efforts are really shaping and paving way for a safer future. But what we need to acknowledge is that road safety is not an issue of just one day. It's not a one-time effort. This is something that needs constant engagement. Road safety is an attitude, is an approach which needs to be embedded in our everyday lives. So what's important is that we raise the awareness of our community about complying with the safety norms. Today we see people who don't want to wear helmets, people who are driving two-wheelers, people don't want to wear seat belts, and the most common feature is people talking on mobile phones while they are driving. So there's so much of distraction, and they're not ready to listen that any time, in a fraction of a second, something can happen that will destroy not just your life, but the lives of your families. And what is left behind is just sorrow, pain, and misery. So it's important to build that consciousness, and I think education and awareness is the biggest tool. We need to foster that culture of road safety within our workplaces, schools, colleges, community, everywhere, so that we slowly and gradually are able to advance to a stage where we have minimum number of these tragic episodes taking place in our lives. At the end, I would just say that I sincerely appreciate this effort that JK Tyres and Constitution of Club of India under the leadership of Honorable Shri Rajiv Pratap Rudiji, that is taking place for a very long time now, 9 years. And I have appealed to them that please take this movement to other parts of the country as well, because this is the national capital. People are educated, people are more aware, conscious. But our country is huge, diverse, 142 crore people, and the remotest of areas. So we really need to take the message down, and especially to the smaller cities where people don't even have the concept of road safety. You know, as members of parliament, we represent different constituencies, we represent lakhs and lakhs of people. And there are constituencies which are located in the remotest parts of this country, tribal areas. And here I want to say that the honorable members of parliament, their participation means a lot, because they represent so many people, and their leadership in raising the levels of the community towards road safety, that's invaluable. The Ministry of Road Transport has actually constituted a committee, a district road safety committee, and those meetings are chaired by the honorable members of parliament. So we are trying to take the message down to the grassroots levels, but I would also appeal to JK Tyres and the Constitution Club of India to take this collective initiative to the other parts, the other corners of the country, so that the entire country awakens to this cause of building up road safety and saving each and every life. Let's commit to be doing the same. We have to commit to safe driving and keep saving lives. Once again, my congratulations and heartiest greetings to all the winners and everybody who's participated, because there's nothing like winning and losing here. It's all about understanding and imbibing that thought, that idea of being safe while we are driving, and everybody bears a responsibility, whether it is a person sitting inside a vehicle or on the vehicle, whether it's the person who's driving, whether it's a pedestrian, everybody, you know, and governments alone cannot achieve this big objective. It's not the union government alone, it's not the state government alone, but it is 142 crore citizens who have to come together and save every life. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your address and for sharing such heartfelt and powerful personal message on road safety. And I would also invite Mr. Anshuman Singhania. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us to honor the champions of the Parliamentarian Car Rally 2025, not just for their performances, but for embodying the spirit of road safety and responsible driving. We've had a very enthusiastic participation today. Legend, we are going to start with the special invitee category. Well, in the special invitee category, the award goes to car number 28 ITBP. Can we have a big round of applause for them? And I request Mr. Omveer Singh and Mr. Kamal Kishore to kindly come forward and receive their awards. We are moving on to the second runner-up, car number 30, CISF. And I request Mr. Pradeep Motsara to kindly receive the award. Heartiest congratulations, Mr. Pradeep Motsara. Well, in the heartiest congratulations. This is car number 30, CISF, Mr. Pradeep Motsara. In the special invitee category, Again, from Army, car number 44, Mr. Stian Shedhar and Ms. Gurjeet Kumar. Mr. Gurjeet Kumar. Mr. Stian Shedhar and Gurjeet Kumar. This is car number 44 from Army. This is our special invitee category. Ladies and gentlemen, our next champion is car number 31 from Corporate Oil India. And I request Mr. Abir Saikia and Sudeep Kumar to kindly receive their awards. This is car number 31, Corporate Oil India. Heartiest congratulations to our champions so far. Ladies and gentlemen, our next champion is from Indian Air Force, car number 23, Mr. Preetham Shetty and Mr. Nikhil. Heartiest congratulations. This is Indian Air Force, car number 23. Heartiest congratulations to all our champions so far. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our best women driver. Car number 11, Srimati Neelam Pratap Puri and Ms. Shruti Mehta, the best women driver.
Wave Beats Music.
And also the best women participant. Car number 11, Mrs. Neelam Pratap Rudi and Shruti Mehta is the navigator. Let's put our hands together for our best women participant. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the senior parliamentarian champion car. It goes to Mr. car number 1, Mr. J.K. Jain, along with his navigator, Ms. Amandeep Kaur.
Wave Beats Music.
Senior parliamentarian champion, Mr. J.K. Jain.
Wave Beats Music.
Heartiest congratulations, Mr. Ladies and gentlemen, please put a huge round of applause for Mr. J.K. Jain. He is currently 87. and leading more. Ladies, heartiest congratulations, Mr. Jain, and we look forward to your presence in all our rallies. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and congratulate the overall winner in open category. It is car number 17, Mr. Ang Bajaj and Mr. Aparna Bajaj. Mr. Ang Bajaj and Miss Aparna Bajaj. This is overall winner in open category. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our champion, the parliamentarian winner, car number 10, Mr. Shailesh Kumar, husband of Srimati Misa Bharti, Member of Parliament, along with the navigator, Mr. Anant Narayan. The parliamentarian winner of Parliamentarians Car Rally 2025, car number 10, Mr. Shailesh Kumar. Heartiest congratulations, Mr. Shailesh Kumar. Heartiest congratulations to all our winners, and we thank our honorable chief guest. We thank Shri Rajiv Pratap Rudy ji, and we thank Shri Anshuman. No, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear him live once again, calling back on stage. Once again, to entertain us and to take us back in the melodious lanes of Bollywood, especially for all of you. The Indian Idol fame, the sensational, melodious Amit Paul.